Oh, that scared the living What the? Look at that. That's like nuclear explosions. They're going to F off. They are filling out here tonight. Come on, bro, give us some more. He might fire off a little bit more. I'll keep filming here. Man, this has been an awesome July 4th weekend so far. Oh, looks like we got more. We got more. You can see the smoke particles in the air. Oh! Whoa! Did you guys see that? Bam! Bam-a-lam! This is like, man, that's like Godzilla fireworks. Got more going up. I did, yeah, mine were lame. The ones I did last night. Shout out to them. Shout out to my fireworks that I did last night. Shout out to that video. Oh, there's more going on. You can see the lights over there. We got some going off over there. There's more. We got some going off over there too. Look at that. We got some going off over there too. It sounds like, imagine if Godzilla came up out of that water and hit an atomic breath. Oh! Why I'm grunting right now. Momo! Momo, look! Over there! Look, get over here, look at that! Look at that! Isn't that not incredible? 4K. I've been taping the whole thing on my phone. Who's doing that? That might be... Whoa! Yeah, he's gonna set one of his trees on fire if he keeps lighting them that fast. Yeah, he's gonna set one of his trees on fire if he keeps lighting it too fast. This is incredible. Let me get up closer over there. Hold on, let me get over there. I'm getting over here and scoot if I can get a good. I've been filming the whole thing on my phone, but I'll have evidence to back up my theory or my claim. No. Little turd. Look at that. Holy bro. He is dropping the zillions. Woo! Good gosh, bro. Might shoot up a few more, I don't know. A car just pulled in, ruining the shot. He might do up a few more. Come on, come on. Oh, I heard one. I think I heard one. Oh, we got more coming up. We got more explosions, more nuclear explosions. Whoa! Look at that, bro. We got a. I've been. Whoa! Oh my god! Oh, one went way over there. Woo! Got a boat over there. Man, dude, I've been filming this crap for 6 minutes, bro. And not expect this. I knew they would probably shoot off more than that, but not like this. But wait, we'll give them a few more minutes, see if a few more happen. Happen to rise up. Let's just see if a few more light up. I think he might be done, but we'll wait and see. I hear some in the far distance way over there.